Friday Sews. Today I have got a lot to show you. I actually finished another dress for the hashtag project Dress a Girl Around the World that Mari is doing on her channel. And so I'll show you that one. I also did a pattern review on Wednesday, so I'll, make sure that you check out that video if you haven't already. There's a link right there. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh, and I finished my Palazzo Pants, so I will show you those. And oh, Butterick patterns are on sale at Joannes for $1.99 this week, and Vogue patterns as well. So I'm going to show you a few patterns that I might get. You'll have to tell me. I've never sewn with Butterick before, Butterick patterns. So you'll have to let me know what you think about that. And for now, I do want to mention, I've been kind of under the weather, just like with a head cold, no body aches, and I can still taste, so that's good. But so yeah, that's why I'm kind of lounging on my couch this week, and I know that my outfit kind of, clashes together or whatever, but this scarf is actually, I don't know if any of you guys crochet or knit. Leave me a comment below so I know who you are, but I love to crochet. That's another thing I'll do. One of these times I'll have to show you guys more things that I've crocheted. Like I love to do hats and things like this, things like that. But this is just one that I made out of like some scrap yarn that I've had. It's called a cluster stitch. And this was so much fun to make. And I just use it with, I probably use a G or a H hook, but I love this scarf and I just love all the colors in it, but it keeps me really warm because it's gotten really cold today. So it's like, I think it's like 61 degrees today, which you might be like, oh, well, that's not that cold. But I'm from Utah and yesterday was like 85 degrees. So to go from like 85 to 61, yeah, I'm feeling the coldness. And then I'm just wearing this shirt that I did a pattern review on a few weeks ago. I'll leave the pattern number on the screen there because I always forget. Okay, so this dress that I made for the project Dress a Girl, I'm so excited that I actually got it done. And so there's the first dress that I did. And so this one right here is the other one that I made with the remnants of the first dress. And I just love how pretty they all coordinate together. I mean, they are from the same like quilting pattern line. So I think it took the guesswork out of matching the patterns on this one. But I love the little pockets, and then it's got the tie in the back. So I was only able to make 2 for the Project Dress a Girl for September, although it does go on year round. So, I can make more, but for Mari Sews and her challenge for September, I was only able to make 2, but 2's better than none. So there's that I just wanted to share with you guys. Now, I did a pattern review on the McCall 7561. That one I just put out on Wednesday, and, I got some good responses from it. One thing on it, here's the dress right here, but see how this, the third tier, well, maybe it doesn't right now. In a lot of the pictures, it looked like it was a different color. And so a few of you commented, oh, maybe because you cut it on the nap. Okay, I got a string right there. And I haven't had a chance to Google what the nap is. I'm thinking it's the cross grain, but they are going the same direction because it's a ribbed knit. And so I cut them all in the same direction, but the bottom tier just seems like it's a different color. Anyways, I didn't understand what the nap was, and I just wanted to clear it up that, yeah, I did cut them all, going the same grain line. But anyways, I'm really happy with this. And what do you think? I just feel like it's just a beautiful color for fall. So thank you to everyone that went ahead and checked out that pattern review. Now, as far as my Palazzo pants go, I'm not even in the mood to go get them. I'll show you a few pictures right here. I guess I'm just not a Palazzo pants type of girl. Okay, these pictures do make them look good and cute, But for those of you who take pictures, you can sway your body in different ways to make the outfit look good. And so, yeah, it looks cute right there, but it's because I'm like leaning back a little bit. But in these pictures right here, I just feel like they make my legs look short. And so, you know, they're still cute, but just not the most flattering. So I'll probably just, you know, wear them around the house. I love the fabric. It's just beautiful. So, okay, moving on. Joannes is having a sale. This is their flyer for this week. And they've got in here a friends and family 25% off your total price. And this one goes this weekend, Thursday, September 30th to Saturday, October 2nd. So, oh, wait. Oh, yeah. 25% off your total price. So even if, you know, there's some things that are on sale, but, you know, probably not like their door busters and things like that. So they do have like some fabrics on sale and stuff like that in there, but, you know, you can use that coupon. Now, they are having their Butterick patterns on sale. And I haven't bought a Butterick pattern probably for about like 15 years. So I've kind of stuck to like the McCalls, the simplicity. So let me know what you think about them, like with the sizing and things like that. But I do want to just kind of check out the patterns with you on their website. Okay, so I got my laptop right here and I'm just gonna go through and look and I'll let you know like what catches my eye. But I'm going to the Simply, let me see here. So it's on the somethingdelightful.com website /Butterick. Oh, and I see right here, Butterick and McCall's are on sale on this website for $2 a pattern. I do know though that the shipping can be quite high. So let's see what we have. I'm just gonna go down here to patterns by category. Let's see. I need some shirts. Really, I'm just looking for stuff that I can wear with leggings. And here's something right here. Let me look. Oh, look, that's got like a cowl neck. Oh, and it's got this thing going on right here. This looks like it would be good to wear with leggings. Here's the line drawing. The seam in the back makes it for a really nice fit. So this one is Butterick 6752. I might add that one to the list. Let's see if there's anything else that kind of catches my eye. What's going on right here? Nah, not really. I'm probably not the funnest person to shop with because I go really, really fast when I'm looking through all these. But oh, okay, here's one right here. I like that seam going down the middle, but it's off-centered, which I think that would bug me because I might think, oh, is that a mistake that I made? I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, here's one right here. Butterick 6621. It says close fitting knit. I like that it is knit. I like that it has the tie right here and it has the long sleeve version. You can make it longer or shorter if you want to wear it. Oh, and it's even got this cute thing here too. But you can wear it, you can even tie that tighter. Ooh, I like that. I like how the back has a seam. This one is going to be Butterick 6621. So this one for sure is one that I am going to get. Let's see, what does it recommend down here? Oh, that one might be cute. That looks like a cute raglan. What is this? Butterick 6525. Okay. Oh, this one has too many lines in the line drawing for me. Like, I don't understand what's going on right there.
Please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are enjoying this video so far. Thank you.
Okay, so that is about it with my pattern shopping. So I'll probably go and pick up maybe like 2 Butterick patterns this weekend because I'm really into sewing with knits. Okay, now don't forget to check out all the other channels that are participating in the hashtag Friday Sews. And I want to thank Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room for putting together the hashtag Friday Sews. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye, guys.